Hello, this is Gene with X50 flag mounts. Today I'm going to show you how to mount the flag mount on a motorcycle with the 1/2-inch rack. First thing you do, take your cleaning swab, that alcohol swab that is included. Wipe the bar down really good. Then you can always wipe the inside also. Make sure that you have any oil off of there. Then we put on our protective strip.
What does that do?
It protects the bar and also keeps it nice and snug. Dual purpose. And I recommend putting a little Loctite on here. The blue, so that you're able to get it back off. Before you tighten that all the way, put the bolt through.
Why do you have to do that?
Well, if you tighten this all the way, it's going to spread this, and you'll have a little bit of a problem getting that bolt to go through. All right. Okay, now that that's through, snug the bottom up. Now turn it where you want it. Tighten the bottom screw as tight as you can possibly get it. And don't worry, if you do strip the threads, we send you a new one. You want to tighten a little one first because you got more torque tightening the big one. All right. Now I just spin this on. Just turn that on to the bolt. Just to get it started. All right. Line them up nice and straight.
Level them?
Well, you went with the 3-mount package. You want to make sure they're all nice and straight in line, because this is I call this a flag display. It's just a really nice way to display your flags on your bike, because most of our veterans, they like to have the POW flag, Old Glory in the middle, which is always taller, and then they like their personal service flag, or if they have a club flag, they'll put that on the other side. What do you think, Jim? Looks...
A little bit that way. And then I like the idea if you turn the eagle so he's looking at the American flag. So he's got to turn him around, face, there you go.
Like that.
And all the eagles will be facing the American flag.
That's interesting. I like that.
Now once you got them lined up,
Don't be afraid to tighten it. Like I says, if you would strip that bolt out, we'll send you a brand new mount. 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 Mount.